Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today, as you guys already read on the title, it's gonna be a different fun sort of video. Today you guys get to control my day for 24 hours. So I asked you guys a bunch of polls and questions on Instagram and you guys gave me a choice. So that's how I'm gonna spend my day for whatever categories I asked you, and whatever category that won in the poll, that's how I'm gonna roll today. So that's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because this is something you guys asked for, and let me know if you guys want something more like this. I would love to do them for you guys. And yeah, this is kind of I'm new to vlogging, so if there's a problem here and there and the footage is a little bit jittery, I'm working on it, but in case if it is, we're gonna get there soon, so yeah, bear with me. All right, so the first category was to go to the gym or to sleep in, and obviously you guys chose to go to the chose for me to go to the gym, and I'm happy about that because I would have anyways gone to the gym. But the thing is, I had to go to the doctor today early in the morning, so that's why I couldn't go to the gym early in the morning. So I will be doing that in the evening. And of course, I didn't sleep in because I have been awake I think around 6:30 say. So yeah, now I'm gonna just go take a bath and then I'll see you guys later. Hi, so I'm back and I still haven't taken a bath. The thing is, I'm thinking before I do that, I'll clean up my room a little bit. I have to dust all of this, so I'll just show you guys what I have to do. So this is what the bed situation looks like. It's not that bad. I just have to fold my blanket, and this is pretty bad. So this is kind of my vanity area. So I can clean. I just have to pick my laptop and it will be fine. But this, okay, this is bad. The thing is, I need that rack thingy to shoot. While I'm shooting, I put my camera and tripod on that. But all of these boxes, these are PR boxes, so I have a habit of hoarding these boxes because they are pretty good, so I don't want to throw them up. And also I need them for storage. I have a lot of makeup and it always keeps coming in, so I need boxes to store my stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take all the extra boxes and keep them in another room till the time I don't get back to my studio space, because I have to keep this in my room. Yeah, one, I like the vanity in my room, and other than that, it's too hot where I used to shoot, so I think I'm gonna do it right here. So this is what this situation looks like, and everything else is pretty okay. And that's my Coco, that's my cutie, he's sleeping. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna do that and then we'll go take a bath. I mean, I'll go take a bath. Okay, bye. Hi baby. Look at this big boy. Look at this big boy. Coco. Oh. Hi, so I'm back from the shower, and as you can see, I'm still in my dressing gown because I have to move on to the next poll and see what you all chose for me. So next three questions are quite related, so I'm gonna start with this first one that says, should I shoot or edit? And 70% of you guys wanted me to shoot today, so I'm gonna do that. Then I also have this another question, should I put on makeup or should I do skincare and self-care? And 62% of you chose skincare and self-care. All right, then the thing is, if I'm not putting on makeup and I still have to shoot, I better shoot a skincare video, right? So I'm thinking I'll shoot how I shave my face. I do need to shave my face. It's the peach fuzz is growing, okay, so I need to do shave my face. So I'm thinking I'll do my skincare and shoot, okay? So I think those two things are gonna be connected. All right, so this is the shoot situation. I'm gonna shoot here and I'll just show you guys. I know it looks messy, but it is what it is. I don't have any more space, so I'll just show you guys how Coco sits where I shoot. So he's always sitting here whenever I'm shooting. He'll just sleep right here. He'll just go to sleep right here every time I shoot. shoot and done with my skincare. So the next thing that I asked you guys was if I should stay in my pajamas or should I dress up, and 62% of you said I should dress up. So I'm gonna do that and I'll show you what I'm wearing. Guys, so this is what that looks like. It's the t-shirt dress and it's very cute, loose, comfy, street style, very casual sort of a thing. So since it's very short, all right, so I won't be wearing it just by itself. So I have worn these denim shorts and I'll keep them like this because I feel like the shorts look better with this. I like it more as a loose t-shirt than just a dress. I feel like the shorts add a lot more texture and, you know, street style look to this outfit. So yeah, I really like it. Hi guys, I'm back from gym and I have taken a bath, and as you can see by my face, I'm just too tired, and sorry for this angle, I'm too tired to care. So the next category is, I asked you guys if I should read a book or watch Friends, and 52% of you said that I should watch Friends, which I'm so thankful for because I'm so tired. I'm so tired that I just wanna lay in bed and watch Friends and just maybe sleep. Actually, I'm so tired by this time now. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm on third season for the, I think, fourth time. I don't know. I'm watching it again from start, and yeah, I love it. I love it. Okay. Love it. Hi. So it's currently 11:32. I mean, it's on charging, but you can see it's currently 11:32. So basically, रात हो चुकी है. Or I had this poll in my on my Instagram today, that was in which you guys chose cooking and coffee. So सारा दिन मुझे time नहीं मिल पाया. So now I'm having that. Here's my coffee at 11:32 p.m. and this. Of course, I know this is not cooking, but this is the max I can do. Okay. So these are these bread sandwiches that I used to make in Chandigarh, and बहुत दिनों क्या साल बाद शायद बनाया मैंने, and yeah, they look really nice. They're very tasty. So I'm gonna eat my dinner, and I think that would be it for this vlog. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. It's all over the place, but when I edit it, I know what I did. But while I enjoy my dinner, I just have to say that thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're watching till the end, make sure you comment below and let me know that yeah, you watched till the end. So let me know if this was something that you would like to watch in the future as well, like something like this, like a vlog style video. I would love to do them, these casual sorts of videos for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.